Hello and welcome back to my channel Learn with Nikhil. So here we have taken a sum where the distance between the end projectors given RS is 50 millimeters and end R is 20 millimeter in front of horizontal plane and 10 millimeter in front of VP and is inclined at 45 degree to HP and its top view measures 70 millimeter. You have to draw its projection and find its inclination. So this is a line RS. We have to find its true length. Now end R is 20 millimeter above. So from the front view it will be like this, 20 millimeter above and 10 millimeter in front of VP. So this is the end R about. Now it is inclined at 45 degree. So this angle is 45 degree to HP. Now its top view measures 70 millimeter. So this distance given is 70 millimeter. So this is the top view distance, or the plan length given is 70 millimeter. Now to start with the solution, we have been given the following things, that is DBEP, that is the distance between the end projectors, that is 50 millimeter. Next we have been given the angle theta, that is 45 degrees. Further, the top view distance is 70 millimeter. So these things are given. Now to start with the sum, first we'll draw the XY axis line. I will start with this point. This is the point of line R. The question says 20 millimeter above the horizontal plane and 10 millimeter in front of vertical plane. So this is 20 millimeter above and this is 10 millimeter below or in front of vertical plane. So just mark the dimension. This distance is 20 and this is 10 from the center line. Mark this point as R dash and this will be R. I will mark the distance of the end projector, that is 50 millimeter. This will be S. I'll just mark the dimension of this line, that is 50 millimeter. And through this S point we'll draw a parallel line perpendicular to the XY line. I'll extend the lines parallel from R dash and R. Now the angle theta is given, that is 45 degrees. So from this point I'll draw an angle of 45 degree. I'll extend the line touching to the S line. Now we have been given the measure of top view, which measures 70 millimeter. So on compass I'll take a distance of 70 millimeter. Keep it on R and cut below. So top view given is 70 millimeter. So this is the top view length we have marked, which is 70 millimeter. This angle theta given is 45 degrees. Now as we have marked the top view length, now through that point we will able to find the true length in the front view. So I'll draw an arc till this line, and through that line we will take the projections upward and intersect to the 45 degree angle line. I'll extend this line upwards also. Now where the true length line intersects, through that point I'll draw a line and mark that line as F dash. So this intersection is the true length. I'll measure this distance. This measures to be 100 millimeters. So this is the true length. we have calculated, that is 100 millimeters. I'll join this line to this intersection point. This will be the front view length or the elevation length. I'll calculate this. This is 85 millimeter. So we have calculated the front view length, that is 85 millimeter. True length is 100 millimeter. I'll mark this point as S1 dash and this is S dash. Now through this front view length, we'll draw and curve. This will able to plot the true length in the top view. So now taking the projection from the intersection of the curve to this line downwards. Now drawing a parallel line to this point. This will be the locus of point S. I'll mark it as T and T dash. Now joining this will give me the true length, which we have already found out, that is 100 millimeters. Now we'll find out the inclination angles. Theta is already 45 degrees. Now this angle is alpha angle, which is between the front view line and the axis line. So the alpha angles comes to 55 degrees. This angle is phi, that is the angle between the true length in the top view. So write that phi, that is not theta, that is 30 degrees. So this is phi, not theta. Just change that. Then finally the top view plan length angle, this is beta, which is 45 degrees. And we are done. Thank you for watching. Do subscribe to my channel. If you have any doubts, any queries, let me know in the comment section.